Hello again. We're going to carry on now with our incomplete records control account method. At step 5, which is dealing with the bank account so that we can find out how much money is left in that at the end of the year. The question gives us a considerable amount of information in relation to money coming in and going out of our bank account. For example, here we've got 6 payments made during the year. We've paid creditors, we've paid light and heat, we've paid interest, there's the insurance premium, we've made a donation to charity, and we've bought delivery vans. In addition, the question tells us that having borrowed €120,000, they spent 90,000 on showrooms and 30,000, the remainder, on furniture. So that gives us a further 2 payments from our bank account. And don't forget also that to ensure that we have sufficient when the time comes to repay our loan, we're transferring €1,250 each month for 4 months since the 1st of the 9th. So that's 5,000 being transferred. They're all credit entries in our bank account. On the debit side then, we've got money coming into our bank account. In that, we have 110,000 coming from the cash account for lodgements. The debtors are paying us 34,000. And the owner has introduced €4,000 worth of capital. That's the dividends that the owner must have earned privately and brought it into the business's bank account. So again, here in the bank lodgements, the debtors are paying us 34,000. The cash is 110,000, and the owner is introducing further capital of 4,000. Don't forget also then the borrowing, the loan of 120,000 on the debit side of the bank account. And we put all of that together then in, as we said, step 5 of our solution. And that's our bank account here in the bottom corner. Let's have a closer look at that again. So here's our bank account with those entries to which we just referred. You don't need to do a T account if you prefer. You could do plus and minus. So there's our €120 coming in from the loan and 34 coming in from our debtors, 110 coming into our bank account and debiting it because of the cash lodgements, and there's 4,000 coming from the owner. I've debited the bank account because it's receiving 4 times there, giving us a total of €268,000. And those are the various items on which we spent money, all of which we've referred to already. The difference between the two sides being 50,600, and that will be our balance in our bank account to be brought forward as a current asset. A final point there, don't be tempted to change the figure for furniture 30,000 because some of it belongs to the owner, some of it will be charged to the owner. Don't change the credit entry in the bank account because after all we did actually spend 30,000 on buying furniture. The use to which it was put isn't relevant in our bank account. So this firm has 50,600 left over in its bank account, and we're going to put that in as one of our current assets in our balance sheet.